Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Lee. And today guys, let's talk about the foods to limit and to avoid if you have anxiety. Again and again guys, number one is too much caffeine. Coffee, energy drinks, or some strong teas guys can increase your heart rate. It can make you feeling or shaking and feeling that are similar to panic attack. Number two, guys, is high sugar foods. Too many sweets, cakes, and sugary drinks can cause blood sugar changes, guys, that it makes some people feeling restless, tired, and anxious. And number three, guys, is highly processed foods. Example, fast foods, chips, and instant noodles, and some foods that high in unhealthy fats, guys. It can make our mood change and energy level. So based on my experience, guys, if I had or if I'll eat instant noodles, it makes me feel something weird, like my mood change. And number four, guys, is alcohol. Taking alcohol, guys, at first it is very relaxing, but at the end, it can disturb our sleep and it may increase our anxiety afterwards, guys. So check if you drink tonight, for example, and then tomorrow you will see your anxiety will become more worse. Really. So lastly, guys, is skipping meals. Hunger or low blood sugar can cause your anxiety, or to some people who has anxiety, guys, worse. Skipping meals is not really good for people like me. Based on my experience, guys, it will start or it will trigger my anxiety. There was a time like I had my lunch very late, and then I started feeling shaking. I feel like fainting, weird feeling, guys. So don't skip your meals, okay? And only those five, guys, the foods that we have to limit if it worsen our anxiety. Again, this is Lee, and God bless you all. Thank you so much for watching, guys.